Let's go. I love chandeliers. But the fog is so cool. Look what we have discovered, it's like crazy chandelier street. I love chandeliers and this is a super crazy surprise and it's super magical. I love it. Look at that street. Let's go. Oh my gosh, it's so crazy. Look at that. I can't believe it. It's so magical. We need one at home. Too big, but maybe smaller version. We are in a District 1. The fantasy world is magical. Look at the chandeliers, it's just unbelievable. I can't imagine this is real, but it is. The fancy chandeliers. So pretty. Oh my god, it's just unbelievable. But look at this. So it's like all those streets, I guess they decorated in this square. What are you doing?
Going for some food.
Okay, schnitzel.
Schnitzel.
Yeah, but it's too pretty to kind of go to the restaurant right now. The chandeliers are super pretty. It's like, whoa. There's the cathedral. But the fog is so cool. This is cool. Oh, what is this happening? Oh, is this a Christmas market probably? Yeah, this was a cool cathedral. That's the site, it actually, when I was here, this was under construction, this site.
Wir sehen uns zu Ostern.
we got the shoe. Cool. Let's get some drink on it. You have to count it here. We've got the chocolate plum punch. And yeah, it's delicious. It has a little rum in it. It's actually very light. It doesn't have that much alcohol in it.
Punch in it.
Okay, alcohol punch in it. So it's super delicious. Yeah, we got it from this one. Hash brown potato puffer.
Okay.
So it's basically potatoes, I guess fried potatoes. And then the topping is looks like a yogurt and the spinach and the little cheese. I don't think so it's my favorite thing I have tried so far, but it's okay. It's warm, right? Yeah, okay. Look at this hanging red light. The Red Bulls, hanging Red Bulls. Magical world, look at this stuff. It's like, really? Crazy long line for this restaurant. I guess they have good schnitzel. Yeah, but we are not waiting. What is the best time to come that no line?
At lunchtime.
Lunchtime?
So we just discovered this one. We did not know about. We're walking from District 1 to our hotel.
It's another random little Christmas market on the way to the hotel.